The fascinating history and modern use of pagers in communication. Pagers were essential communication tools in the 20th century, especially before smartphones emerged. They allowed doctors and emergency personnel to receive urgent messages without phone calls. Operating on a dedicated network, pagers transmitted messages via radio waves to alert users. In Lebanon, Hezbollah utilized pagers for field communications, highlighting their strategic importance. Recent events saw these devices unexpectedly detonating, causing injuries and significant damage. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights into communication technology.